Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing an affordable skincare routine. I'll be using Indian Healing Clay, Arithra, and Neem. I love using these products. They make my skin feel so clean, so soft, and so clear. And I feel like you guys should definitely try out these products. I'll be putting the link in my bio, and also I'll be demonstrating how I made this. Also, I got this from Amazon, by the way. So stay tuned for the rest of this video. Thanks for watching. Apple cider vinegar is also added to this mixture. Before we start this video, let's get into the products that I'll be using to record. I got a package from this place called Hula that I ordered with my own money. I didn't get sponsored. And I really love the equipment. It's like very portable and easy. So you can attach it to anything like a mirror and like actually attach your phone to it. I love using it. And they give you a card with it that says you can get a second one for free. You guys should definitely check them out. I'll be putting the link in the description box. Mix it all up, y'all, because I have to mix it up a little bit. Didn't mix it up before. So I'm gonna mix it up. It's like little rocky stuff in it, but let's see. I heard this like works wonders. It works wonders. Okay, so it's like this, like I'm doing this because I've been breaking out, y'all. Your girls like not breaking out, but I wear masks every day, so like. And yes, I'm using my hands old style per. I guess like watery. Probably should have made it like not too watery. But we move. And pull this wig back, whatever. Okay, so after 15 minutes, it's gonna look like this. I ended up applying it to other parts of my body, but it's like very dry, very dry on your skin. Then after you wash it off, your skin is so glowy, so pretty, so fresh, so soft, and even some of my black spots have disappeared instantly. So after that, I'm going to pick up my handy dandy Comedone extractor pack, which I'll be putting in the description box of where I got it from. I got it from Amazon, by the way, so I'll be putting that link below. I love using this tool, you guys. It's amazing. It gets all the gunk and dirt out if there's any left. So there's only so much left in there due to like me using the mask. The mask like really sucked a lot of the dirt and gunk out. I really like using it. Like I use this like at least once to twice a week, really all depending on how my skin is, because these masks, baby, they will break you out. Okay, I'm a little sad because I just have very clear, amazing skin, but you know I gotta stay safe, so that's all that matters. And I know I'll get my skin back to what it is. Just gotta like keep an eye on it. So I'm just here taking it out. So my problem areas are kind of like around my cheeks, but definitely my chin is an area at this time due to the mask, wearing it for a long period of time. And I'm just like taking all the stuff out, anything that's left, like just some gunk, any gunk that's in there, just like taking it all, like scrape. So I'm not scraping it, by the way. But I am using some force to the skin just to make sure I'm getting some things out. Okay. Skin looking clear or whatever. Stop playing with the girl. Yes. Get under that chin, baby. We got to get all that gunk out. Okay. So we're getting all of it out. As you can see, it's all coming out. It's coming out. It's coming out. Yeah, skin looking cute or whatever. So I'm going to next use my favorite ever, Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. I actually got this from this link called Ratukin. I have a link and I have a discount code. So I'll be putting that in the description box as well, where you guys can purchase this for yourself. So I'm going to wipe my face down with some water. I'm just getting anything off of it. Then pat my face down with my towel, softly and gently. Then I'm going to pick up my handy dandy lotion from Clinique that I love so much and just apply it to the skin. It's gonna look like I'm rubbing in harshly, but I'm really not, you know. It's just the African in me. It looks a little bit rough, but trust, it's not that rough, okay? Next time I'll do it a little bit aesthetically pleasing, whatever. So like I'm doing that, rubbing it in, okay, skin looking glowy. Then I'm using my Advanced Stop Sign Targets, which like helps with dark spots, lines. I just love this. I typically pat it up under my eyes. It has this like very nice golden glow to it. I just typically put it under my eyes, and then I put it on my other dark spots on my face. Just like that, and tap it in, and then voila, it's done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. See you guys in the next one. Thank you all so much for the support. Thanks, y'all. Love y'all.